Top 5 Blackhead Removal Masks. Blackhead Removal Bamboo Charcoal Black Mask. Remove blackheads and dirt. Skin oil control and clean pores. Clean skin and smooth skin. Acne treatment. Blackhead Remove Facial Masks. Deep Cleansing Purifying Peel Off. Remove blackheads and dirt. Clean pores and clean skin. Improve rough and oily skin. Acne treatment. Remove blackhead. Mite. Propolis Face Care Treatment. Remove blackheads. Improve the dark. Clean skin and smooth skin. Clean pores and acne treatment. Blackhead Remover Acne Treatment Mask Peeling. Peel off. Remove blackheads and dirt. Improve the dark and damaged skin. Clean skin and smooth skin. Clean pores and acne treatment. Blackhead Removal Bamboo Charcoal Black Mask Deep Cleansing Peel Off. Remove blackheads. Improve oil skin and damaged skin. Clean skin and smooth skin. Clean pores and acne treatment. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here.